We just heard back from one of our happy customers in the form of a 5-star review, and we wanted to share it with the world. This is just one of the many reviews we get from our customers. A happy customer that leaves a review like this online ends up being a great repeat customer, and that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's so inspiring. And just like our customers, we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is important in gaining your initial and repeat business, and we will work very hard to earn both. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.